So for this lesson, I made some changes. I incorporated a few more higher order thinking questions because I thought that was something that was important to add, just to get my students thinking a little bit more, thinking a little bit deeper about the concepts, applying what they know in different ways, in different situations, or whatnot. I assessed my students visually. When we were playing the review game, I made a quick assessment of which teams got the questions correct and which ones got them wrong, but I also looked at who was the one, which students specifically were the ones that got the questions wrong. So that really helped just to give me a sense of where they were at. I thought that this activity was very effective for a review game. My students really liked it. They had a lot of fun, and they were able to review the concepts that we were learning. And so overall, I think it was a good lesson.
We've been talking about the solar system. We've been talking about the Earth. We've been talking about the sun, the moon, how they all rotate, revolve around each other, and all that kind of stuff. Alrighty? So we're going to talk a little bit more about that today. We're going to start by playing a review game. Alright? So this is some old information that you should already know, as well as some newer information that some of you might know, some of you might not know quite yet. First, raise your hand real fast if you did the article with me in the small group last Wednesday. It was called The Ever-Changing Sky. I had that like a ball sort of thing, and it was like that bouncy ball sort of. Raise your hand if you were with me for that. Okay, so there's at least one person at every table. So if you're that person at the table and you know the answer, you're going to help your teammates. All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to ask a question, and then I'm going to say a number. For example, I would say, what color is the sun? And I'm going to say, student number 1, please answer the question. So if you are student number 1, you would answer the question. You would be in charge of writing the question. I didn't say to move, didn't say to touch anything. You would be in charge of writing the answer on the whiteboard and showing me the answer when I say so. All right? But I didn't say anything yet. But while you are doing this, the entire group needs to work together, and you all need to agree on the answer. Okay? Yeah. Because like I said, some of you might know the answer, some of you might not. So you need to use your team members to help you with the answers. Okay? Like we say, no hogs, no logs. Everybody is working together. True or false?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's just the one. Lesson you already know
What happened? Can you guys not agree?
You told me to take a flash beer all the time.
What?
I'll take access to this.
What do you mean?
All
right, show me your answers in 3, 2, 1. False, 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 false. I can't see that because it's facing away from me. False. Guys, you're just going to do your 1, 2, 3, 4. You're good. For you guys, you're going to do your 1, 2, 3, 4. Ashley's going to be number 5. Okay? For you guys, you're going to use the spinner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Serenity's going to be number 5. For you guys, you're just going to use the spinner. 1, 2, 3, 4. And no problem there. For you guys, you're going to use the spinner. 1, 2, 3, 4, or however it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to be 5. You're going to be 6.
It just stays.
True or false?
Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's just the one.
3. Please use your teammates and help come up with an answer.
This is the sun and this is Earth. And then this is the moon.
No, that was just an example.
And then, wait, that's rotating. This is. Ow! This is.
Show me your